Hey guys, it's Rob with a video. 3 years ago, I noticed that there were reoccurring patterns all over the planet that plate tectonics didn't account for. And so for 3 years, I started tracking them down and finding out the source of them. And little did I know that this would reveal how our planet was created. And it's quite simple. And you can't go wrong with this either, by the way, because the blueprints of the creation of our planet are written directly to the surface features. And the only way that I can think that this could have happened is if the core of our planet is responsible for creating our planet. So we've got a core inside our planet that produces the planet. And let me just show you what I'm talking about, because right on the surface of our planet is the story of its creation. And you can see this right here with Antarctica. Starting with Antarctica, you can see Antarctica is the result of rotation. It's that simple, counterclockwise rotation. You can see the smoothing, and you can see that when this happened, there probably wasn't a planet. There's probably just a giant vortex or some kind of a toroid or something. But you'll see that this would probably be facing north or whatever and spinning. And the spinning is what creates something. From the spinning is what created our planet. And I could tell you that everything that you see on our planet is the result of that spinning. They claim that the Hawaiian island chain is hot spots in the middle of a plate. Well, I'm going to show you that it's not true, that the Hawaiian Islands are the result of spinning, and this Pacific plate is most likely a rupture. And you just look at it, you can see the splitting and the pulling back of the layer. Here's the thing about plate tectonics, they claim that the Himalayas are a result of a collision. Well, I can prove to you and show you that they're the result of the same twisting of the Hawaiian island chain. Just like this is a twisting. You can see how it comes to a point, and then you know it's twisting in there, and then it comes apart, splitting apart almost like that. And I'm going to show you some cool stuff today. Oh man, are you guys this is going to be cool. Okay, here we go. They say that the Himalayas are the result of a collision with a plate ramming from here and here, and these mountains are just here are raised up. It doesn't even look like a collision to me, actually. It looks more like electrical. You can see the same electrical shapes as you would in like lightning or electricity, some kind of discharge. You can see that all in here. So somehow our matter is connected to this electrical, because this right here is obviously an overflow of matter. It looks like just like a giant river cresting a bank or something like that as it gushes down. But this is the result of twisting. And let me show you. Okay, you can see this is the result of twisting right here. I got these two separate areas. One's the Himalaya mountains, and the other is not. It has no business lining up with anything over here, including these marks right here. See that? Now, I've been accused of showing you guys vague alignments. If they're vague, it's only because it's complicated, is all. And this one's complicated. But what I'm claiming is that it's this twisting right here that gives these mountains they have like a similar distance apart from each other. They're almost in like an order. Even these marks right here, these things right here too, they seem to look like that. You see how they're dashes? This is the result of twisting and rotation. It does that somehow. It seems to space things out evenly from what I've been seeing. You can see that this rotates around up into here. Like that. Like this. See how the marks just kind of line up? And then I said it's from twisting. See how it lines up here with these markings in the back when it's been flipped over? And then you can just bring it down and you can see that it fits around with these marks too. See that? See how they're the same width? Look at that. It actually looks like a tube and it looks like it covers it. It's kind of weird. See? This is the Himalaya Mountains. There's no reason for this to be lining up like this. And this overspill too, see? See how that fit in reversed even? Almost as if it's going in. Look at this. This is the result of twisting right here too. Look at the marks, how they match right into there. There, like that. You see that? See how that follows that all the way right up to here? As this seems to fit into here. I think these just rotate around. And you can see this peninsula off of Australia is the result of twisting too. It's like twisting and it got pulled apart. Okay, so twisting and pulled apart. This is part of what they call the Southwest Indian Ridge. And they think that this is spreading apart like the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, except for it's doing it at a super slow pace. The problem is that this is not what they think it is. This is the image of a vortex. It's been rotating and twisting. And like I said, the Hawaiian Islands are not a hot spot. They're the result of twisting and rotation. And when I bring the Hawaiian Islands in here and line them up in the right spot, you can clearly see that this is what made Hawaii. This is not hot spots. You can see that each one of these lines seems to space these islands apart. But you could say that this is like a worm drive, and this is corkscrewing through. So this is going to fit this way or reversed. Now if you take a really good close look, you're going to just find out that this fits even better. This may even go up here and fit around this. Right here you see this circle. It looks like a piece is missing. And I think I know where that piece is actually. Which is pretty cool. Check this out. Okay, so here's the Hawaiian Islands going back and forth as it's worm driving its way through. Let me see here. Maybe this makes it even easier to see. I don't know. The other thing is you notice this right here? if you look off Hawaii right here, you can see that it's got the same thing. See how it's got this line like that? There's one right here like that. See that? Just like that. See how that fits perfect as this comes in? So there's this right here. Again. Here's our splitting right next to the tip of South Africa. And then when I move this over here, you can see this guy right here. Right there. Something happened here. We'll investigate that later. And if you look close, you can see how this is giving away the secrets of the area. Here's next to the Hawaiian Islands right here, this thing. And then look, the Hawaiian Islands are now over here matching up. This needs to rotate, I can tell. Okay, so next. Okay, that area I just showed you is connected to this. It's over here. But it came out of here. So the twisting is concentrating in here. And here's the Hawaiian Islands fitting every step of the way, even to there. Look. And then this bends around. There's that splitting again. Remember, it showed it over here at the tip of Africa. Now it shows it splitting from South America up. Look at that. Look at that line, by the way. Right where the mountains end is right where this splits. Look at the detail matching too. Just have to line it just right. Yeah, look at that. This is not vague. This is precision. Look at that. Where's the erosion? How can this match so good? Look at it, does match perfect too. When you really look at it, I'll have to get some really good close-up shots of this to show you, but I guarantee this is going to match up amazingly. See this these marks right here, and you got this eye-looking round thing. See how it keeps matching up over and over again? So this rolls back up into here. And this is our beginning of our split right here. Look how it fits in here now. And then the Hawaiian Islands come out here. They claim that the Hawaiian Islands are the most recent thing on this planet. Well, I don't think this planet's that old. I don't think it can be, look. Look how the features fit in there, and they do. They actually do. See these marks right here are pretty easy to match up if you find similar ones. Okay, so let's move on to the next. That was the Hawaiian Islands. Now here's the spinning part over here. See, it matches. The thing that's different is it doesn't have a split right here. Okay, I'm going to cut it right here. This will be part 1, and then part 2 I'm uploading right after I'm finished with this one. This is just a long video, and I don't want to wait hours for it to upload. Thanks for watching.